Here's a life lesson from our budgies of how to succeed in life, what you need to do, because we all know the early bird catches the worm. Who's going to do it first? Green or blue? Which one's going to fly to my arm first? And they're off. Ooh, I think the blue one looks like he's going to do it first. Green one's too busy scratching it. Boom. Go for it. Go for it, blue. That's it. Yes! The green one's going to come now. There, you got your motivational. You got nowhere to stand. Yeah, stand on my arm. Finger. You're missing it. You flew onto the blue one. If you want treat bells, you have to work for it. You have to learn to fly as high as you can. Are you listening, budgies? The blue one got there first. That's what happens. The early bird catches the worm. That's what the blue ones. First, budgie. Oh, you're not having any. You're too late. You don't get no second prizes. Only first prize counts. Second, third, fourth, garbage. You have to be first. Isn't it? That's it. Chase away the green budgie. Where you going? You're too late. You have to be first. Bronze, silver doesn't count. Only gold. What are you saying?
I just want to give the green budgie some food.
You want to feed it? It's not going. It's too late. The early bird catches the worm or the treat bell. Okay, he's trying to saying, please let me have a piece. You're too late. This is a life lesson. It's a lesson for you, green budgie. You're too late. You took too long. Don't get no second prizes in life. What do you want to do?
Feed it.
No, but it's a lesson. It's a life lesson for all budgies and humans. You're only one prize that counts. First, second, third is a fail. However, the green budgie will learn from its failure.
No, he's not.
He'll learn from his failure. And next time, he will learn. The blue one's not going to budge. Budge. Budgie's not going to budge. So there you have it, a life lesson. Now you can go and have your piece. See? The blue budgie had its fill. It's going to come back. It's going to come back and make the green budgie shift because it's a winner. If you're second, see? Yeah. See, he told it to move. Get away. I'm the winner. You're the loser. I'm the winner. The blue budgie is the winner.
Show.
And it won't take any prisoners. This is a life story. Have you learnt? What you learnt? Winning is the only thing that counts.
Okay.
And if you lose, it's good to lose, but you have to learn from it.
Okay.
Did you learn?
I won.
There you got your budgie motivational lesson. Winning is the only thing that counts.
How about put it in the cage?
Put the blue in the cage.
Yeah, and then
Mr. Winner.
the blue with the kidney and the blue with the kidney.
Just pooped on my arm now.
That's what the winner gets.
Winner takes all.
No.
Yeah, winner takes all. You have to learn this lesson. Losers don't get nothing.
Fine.
Blue budgie was first, and it's the winner mentality. It won't let the green one get any edge.
Well, the green was meditating.
Meditating.
Yeah, meditating.
While he was busy meditating, the blue budgie was flying over and eating. Well done. Well done, blue budgie.
No, well done, green budgie.
Green budgie lost.
No, you won.
Failed.
He
Now he's
won.
trying to come in and do.
I guess the second place gets whole play to play.
Going to shift out of it. It's my treat, Belle. You're not having any of it.
Yeah, go.
Quickly, eat it before the blue one comes back.
Go.
I think it's had its fill. The blue one's had its fill. There you have a life lesson from the budgie. Firstly, you're going to fail, and if you fail, learn from your mistakes, learn from your failure. Secondly, the only thing that really counts is winning. Yeah, it's winning. Coming second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth does not count. Winning is the only thing that counts in the long run, but you will fail on the way lots of times, and every time you fail, you must learn. If you want to be successful like the blue budgie, you have to learn, and you have to toughen yourself up. People have it too easy. They need to be toughened up.